Let me show you how to make a whole oven baked sea bass, and we're going to serve that with a delicious potato salad. And that's exactly where we're going to start. To begin, take 500 grams of new potatoes and place them into a saucepan. Cover them with cold water and then season with a pinch of salt. Place over a high heat and bring to a simmer. And then we're going to cook them until they're tender. This will take roughly around 20 minutes. Meanwhile, take 1/4 of a celeriac, peel it and then cut it into small dice. And then top and tail, cut in half, peel and finely dice 1 medium red onion. And now that that's done, we'll move on to preparing the sea bass. Take 2 medium brown onions, top and tail them, cut them in half, peel them and then roughly slice them. And then slice 1 whole lemon. For the sea bass, I've got 2 lovely whole sea bass here that have been gutted and descaled. And then what we're going to do is make some incisions along the fish on each side, and that's just going to help all the flavour and the seasoning get right into the fish. Next, we're going to create a foil bag to cook our fish in, and this is how it's going to steam, because all those flavours are going to get locked in there, and it's just going to gently steam the fish while it's in the oven. So take 1 large sheet of foil and then place a smaller sheet of greaseproof paper on the bottom. That's just going to help strengthen the bottom of the bag when we lay our ingredients on top. And then we're going to season it generously with sea salt and ground white pepper. You can use black pepper here, but I prefer using white pepper when I'm cooking white fish. Next, make a nice even layer of onion, and this is for the fish to sit on top. And then place the sea bass directly on top of that. Place some of the onion inside the cavity, along with the lemon slices, and you can place some lemon slices underneath as well if you like. And then also into the cavity, we're going to place a couple of bay leaf and a rough handful of flat leaf parsley. And then finally, we're going to pour over 90 millilitres of white wine. Next, we need to seal the bag, so fold over the foil and then seal it on each side, rolling it over a few times and pressing it down just to make sure it's a really tight seal, because we don't want any of that steam to escape. Place the foil bag onto a baking tray and then into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius fan for 30 minutes. Now with the fish in the oven, we'll turn our attention back to making the potato salad. So when your potatoes have got 5 minutes left on the cooking time, place in the diced celeriac just to cook them through slightly. And as soon as the potatoes are ready, take it off the heat and then we're going to refresh it all under cold water. And this is going to immediately stop the cooking and cool down the potatoes ready to work with. Drain the potatoes and celeriac, and then we're going to slice up the potatoes into nice 1 centimetre slices and place them into a mixing bowl. And then we're going to add in the celeriac, followed by the diced red onion, 10 grams of chopped parsley, 80 grams of mayonnaise, 100 grams of creme fraiche, 25 grams of Dijon mustard, and then the juice of half a lemon. Then season it to taste with salt and white pepper. Mix everything together until it's all fully coated, and that's your potato salad complete. After 30 minutes of cooking, the sea bass is ready, and as you can see, the foil bag is puffed up. That means it's got all that steam locked in there, and it's really delicately cooked your fish, and it will be fully cooked through at this stage. So there's only one thing to do, and that's to break it open and serve it with your potato salad or any side of your choice. If you like the skin crispy here, you can always take the fish from the bag and place it under the grill until the skin crisps up on each side. So that's my simple way to cook whole sea bass steamed in the oven with some beautiful delicate flavours. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.